LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if where the price was after we get this move. We mentioned if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. And if we refer to 15-minute chart, we can see there when the price was within this correction, we didn't get any movement. The price dropped. This is where we could look for trade. Okay. And as we mentioned, if we get any continuation, any trade set up move, we take the trade. And there was second option having in shape of this. All right. Whoever get the trade either from this move or having in shape of this right now, either they take out the profit or if they can move their stop loss to break even. Because as we can see, the first we get the reversal and we get one move up. It start to correct. Now we want to see whether this one can give us a correction for continuation, or still we can expect this one turn to a corrective move for one more drop. That means this one can turn more complex flat. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking for this correction. We want to see the breakout of 370 or 371 and continuation, which is the highest price of the LTC. All right, that's why right now, if we get any trade set up for buy, this is what we are more interested. And if I move to forward chart, we want to see the breakout of the stop. Okay, the only thing is, maybe it's better we move to 1 hour chart. It will be more clear. All right, we have been looking for this too as a flat for next move. And exactly this is what we get. That's why we have been looking for buy within this. And this is what we get. But the way it's moving is really corrective. Can we expect this one? Because we mentioned, may this one tend to internal correction in relative to this for one more drop. That means this one will be a more complex correction. Okay, we need to be aware of that. If anyone is looking for trade at the top, okay, that means if we wants to look for buy at the top, we should know this is the highest price of the LTC. Any trade from here, we need to see the continuation and the breakout. If not, we can expect this one turn to be a correction. All right, how we can look for trade? The first thing is we're looking at this. Any trade set up from here, we can take the trade, but we need to get a sharp move. And the second option, we can have entry above this, which is 372 or 373. But I need to highlight here that having entry above the stop, this means we buying the LTC as the highest price. And what we want to see the tag and continuation of the price tag and reverse. You should know, traders, they should know that where they buy is the highest price of the LTC at the top. That's why having entry above this is really risky. Okay, and I want including this trade. But for me, if I see any possibility the price can continue from here, I will take the trade. Because right now we're looking at this. And we should know this is a very risky trade to look for. Okay, the best thing is either we wait for the breakout of the stop with a sharp move, then from there any flag or correction we take the trade, or wait if this one turns to a deeper correction. Okay, right now what I want to say is that we're looking for buy. The first thing is we're looking for this, and the second option we can have entry above this, but any of these options is really risky. Okay, since we're buying at the highest price at the top. That's why if you want to trade safe, either we wait if this one drop, we buy at the bottom of this correction, or we wait for the sharp move, breakout of the top, any flag or correction above that, we take the trade for continuation. We see the confirmation of the breakout of the top. Okay, and if anyone wants to get the trade from here or having a trade above this, what they need to know is that what they should do is that they should look for the sharp move. And if the price didn't move even within the first hour, they take out the trade. They don't stay with the trade. They wait for the next opportunity. Okay, anyway, right now we don't, the only way we can look, we want to see whether this one can give us a trade or not. As I mentioned, traders have to be really careful if they want to have entry, as I mentioned, as I just know we described. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.